I think, therefore I am. I
think, therefore
I am. Do we live in a computer simulation? This was Nick Bostrom's Swedish philosopher article title that was published in 2003. He suggested in this article that there's a strong possibility that us and all the reality we know to be a simulation. The effect of this article was very impressive. In a way, two unknown billionaires in Silicon Valley recruited a number of scientists secretly and tried to get out of the simulation. Maybe us, our consciousness, and our world are nothing more than long code strings that are running in a strange and advanced computer. For example, do you think you're real? Because you're programmed to think so. Imagine a video game where your character gets killed. But you, by pressing try again button, revive him and you won't get disappointed until you win. You reverse time for him and he only just knows a result. A result that you choose for him to live and win in his world. For example, imagine that the ones who created the world can clean what happened to us and upload a few days in advance. Or you buy a new car that you didn't have before and then you see it everywhere. Maybe it's an update of the simulation for more coordination with our thoughts. Of course, it was a little weird. But what you see around consists of billions of atoms. Think about it. The world that they simulated for us includes billions of galaxies and trillions of objects, which this includes infinite number of atoms. It is said that to simulate the entire universe and all the particles in it, we need a computer as big as the universe or even bigger. That it seems the argument of the world is simulated isn't correct. But there are solutions to bypass this problem. It's possible that just like video games, the part that we're in is processing. And for example, when your moving environment is being processed, or the time you're looking at the sky, the galaxies are being appeared. Or when we're observing using a microscope, the smaller parts are rendering. There is another idea called Matryoshka brain, a superstructure which consists of billions parts and is rotating around the star and uses the sun energy and is processing our universe. But with the advancement of the technology, our observations of more parts of the universe, whether it is micro or macro, is increasing, just like creating the best microscopes and telescopes. This means adding more calculations to the simulation, and a small glitch in the simulation may ruin everything. Or maybe the creators of the simulation stop the simulation instantly and solve the problem and run it again. Imagine the video game Pong, that how simple it was. And 40 years later, we created video games that are getting better and more complex and more intelligent day by day. 50 years later, if humans can simulate complex realities, how can we be sure that our world isn't just a design computer simulation by another advanced civilization? Do you think we'll live in a simulated world?